Hello, good morning guys. Today is the third day of our tour. So today we are visiting to Batur mountain to see the sunrise. We woke up early in the morning, 2 a.m. and we had our local guide there. We took our breakfast and now we are here in starting point to start our trip. So we will visit Batur mountain at the top and see the sunrise. Now we are climbing, so you have to wear shoes, no slippers, and you will need a walking stick as well because there's too many rocks. You will see it, so many rocks. Hello, we came halfway now, so we wait here and there's a temple, small temple. Our guide want to worship there, so they are worshipping. So this is the temple, so they want to worship there to get the bless. And these are our guests. And this is the two guests with us.
Hey.
And me.
And her, yes. So once they finish, so we can go to the top. Now the time is
4:50.
4:50. Yes. Okay, see you at the top. Now we are very close to the top. You can see the sun is rising.
Video.
What is that mountain? Oh, Arishka. This one.
Mountain, Agung.
So this is Abang
Mountain, and then
The behind one is Agung, and there you will see a so far mountain in Lambogan Island.
Alright. Yeah.
So people are moving to the top. So we are waiting. Take a rest.
Doing great.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yay! We are at the top now. We're celebrating it. Almost top. It's top. This is Arishka, our guide.
Hi.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning. Thank Now we are going to see the steams coming out of the volcano.
Let me take a look.
Oh! So this fire connected to the...
This steam connecting with the fire. If we
Ah.
blow the fire to the steam, there is more smoke coming up from the steam.
Wow.
Nothing.
Like
Without
eruption.
steam, without the fire.
The steam cannot out.
Oh.
Also, you can cook the egg in the steam pot here.
So without this, there's no sound.
Yes,
yes, without.
No.
Let's see how hot.
Your egg.
Wow, it's hot. Yes, it's hot.
It's hot. Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Anyone's full.
So last week we made like last week, yeah, we make a big some village down there, make bigger ceremony. So they threw buffalo like you saw. There's a chicken actually, swan, goat, and duck. So that 5 kind animal we use every year. So we threw them down there alive, and we just leave them down there like so. Yeah. So we have to doing that. Like the reason because after tourists, after people go to the mountain, so the mountain being dirty, so we have to clean that by the ceremony to save the people next day, just like okay, just a little bit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you walk down to the bottom, so this way is good. So we turn back side and now walk to the opposite. It's easy, good for the knees. Hi, now we came down, so this is the end of the journey. Climb up to Batur Tower. So we have our Singapore friends, and this is our driver. Hello. And
Guide.
yes, guide Arishka.
Yeah, Arishka.
She's Arishka. She's good. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, Arishka. And we have these two guys. Hello.
Yes, we have this.
Welcome back to the car.
Yes, then let's go back to our hotels.
Hello everyone, now we are at the very famous monkey forest in Bali. So we are going to go inside, but you have to park your vehicle outside the forest area, and you have to take a ticket. Per person it's 50,000, and also if you show your ticket then parking will be free, otherwise you have to pay. And now we are at the entrance and we are going to go inside.
now we are leaving Kailash, Bali. So it's a nice place. You should visit. You have swimming pool, and this is, I think, the owner. Thank you very much. We will meet again. Thank you. See you again.
Now we are on the way to Jatiluwih and Ulun Batur temple, which is very nice. So we are going to see
Scenic
that.
place.
And then after that, we are going to go to Seminiyek, Kuta, actually, for the next stay.
So let's meet there.
That's me there. Yeah. Hello everyone. Now we are in Ulun Danu, Beratan temple, and we took tickets. It's 50,000 for one person from there. We came all the way from Ubud, and it took us more than 1.5 hours to go to the temple. So now we'll walk in and see what's there.
This park is well maintained to keep this place clean, safe.
Danu, Beratan. Temple. Actually, it's more like a park. You can enjoy your time and you can spend 1.5 hours, even 2 hours looking around, taking pictures. Because all the way you can see nice locations for the pictures. And a traditional pagoda and speedboat are there. We didn't went on a speedboat, but it cost like 30,000 rupiah for a person. We have the stuff too.
Peanuts. Again, peanuts. They have jackfruit.
Yeah. This is sweet potatoes.
This is one of the biggest rice terrace in Bali, and it's in upcountry. It takes 1 hour from Ubud to come here, but now we went to Ulun, and from there it takes 45 minutes to here. Got late from Jatiluwih Terrace, so we came all the way along to Seminiyek, Kuta for Grandma's Plus Airport Hotel. Seminiyek is a bit crowded and then we have a huge traffic, but then you can find all the franchises, international shops there. And now we came to Grandma's Plus Hotel Airport, which is very close to airport. So this is nice hotel, and we got this iced tea as the welcome drink, and we are going to the room. See you. Hello everyone. Here we are in our room. Here is our bathroom. It's very small, but still it is a very compact one. Yeah, here you see the dryer, the mirror, the shower. It's a budget hotel, so it's a bit compact, but still it's really comfy. Here you have this safety locker and bathroom slippers. Yeah, bed is small, but still it looks really comfortable.